Spirit doesn't want to talk to us.
Oh, whoa. It just spiked right
Still
when we
spiking?
entered. Oh, right when we entered, it spiked.
Why should we run? That's the janitor trying to scare us off. He doesn't want us in here. Don't worry, we're not here to bother you. We're just here to talk. I'm not trying to intrude in your own space. We're just here to talk. I understand you're still working here. This is your spot. This is your area. Dude, that was wild. As soon as we walked in here,
It spiked.
just goes spikes red and then says run.
I don't want to talk.